In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your NGL link on Facebook Story. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Instagram application. Now tap on your profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three lines icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select Settings and Privacy. Now we want to scroll down until you find Sharing and Remixes. So tap on the Sharing and Remixes setting. And in the bottom, you want to make sure that Share Story to Facebook is enabled. Now I want to go back to NGL. So from here, just tap on Share and it will show you how to add the link to your story. So tap on Next Step. It will show you here how you can add NGL link. Now simply tap on Share on Instagram. And from here, let's just select link and just copy our link right here and tap on done. So now our NGL link is right here. And when we tap on your story here in the bottom, it will automatically share your NGL link on your Facebook story. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.